Hello, everybody, and welcome to our webinar. Can you hear me now? All right, my name is Tom Green. I'm the CEO of NEXREV and Getrevcoin, and that's the new name of our coin. In case you're wondering why Getrevcoin, somebody owns the trademark on NEXREV, so we had to change the name to Getrevcoin in order to be out of trouble and not be sued. But anyway, that's no big deal. We have Getrevcoin.com, and that's where you can go and purchase individual coins and speculate on the value going up, which they will. Our developers, Zillionics, they are already up to $1.24. And we're working directly with their technology, which is going to increase our value. Plus, we're going to be embedding a merchant account right into the blockchain, and nobody's ever done that before. So it's going to be a really new technology that's going to be very, very, very exciting. So it's going to turn cryptocurrency into an actual currency that can work in the real marketplace. Now that's going to take time to get it adopted by people, but once it is, a lot of people will use it, and it'll be used in a lot of places. So you got to give us time. That has to work its way. First, we're going to open up our own marketplace where people will be able to buy and sell products, and you won't have to pay to have your product sold, because we add 10% to the price of the product. So when somebody buys it, they're paying our fee, and that money comes to us, and then we pay you for your product 100% of the money. Don't deduct anything, and you get to keep it. And so it's a great, great opportunity to sell products, and that's coming very soon. We have to have, at the end, I'll start showing you how we make the money, and that's one of the big ways that we do. Now, we have a little news to announce on the front of the economy. Things are not going very well in the long haul. They're not going very well. We're, as you all know, I mean, we don't have to tell you that. But bottom line is, we're running at a close to 8% inflation rate. Gas has doubled, and it's going to go up again, double. So it's not looking great. And the crypto market is still at 1,745,000,000,000. So the market is strong. And even when it drops down, it's the only market that you can get your money if you want it. If the market dropped like it did for for the other ways, like banks. If the market dropped like in banks and you wanted to go get all your money out of the bank, they would stop you, because they don't have those kind of reserves. Only the big exchanges can take care of you, and we're going to be on all of them. So you'll be able to cash your coins. We expect to be at over $1 at some point. It's not going to be tomorrow, but we will go up in value as soon as we get on the main net. I expect our coin to double right there to 10 cents a coin, and go up from there. So we're going to be doing well. So let's move forward here a little bit. What is cryptocurrency? Anybody new to cryptocurrency always wants to know what it is. How does it work? Well, cryptocurrency, it's crypto for short, is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange where an individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in the form of a computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transactional records and to control the creation of additional coins and to verify coin ownership. That's what cryptocurrency is. And then cryptocurrency marketing is young, but it has a promising future. People really are going to be getting into this because it's the only safe and reliable currency there is available to you. If you wanna control your money, cryptocurrency is where you wanna put it, and put it in the right cryptocurrencies. You can make a lot of money on it, and it's been forecasted to reach as much as 10.75 trillion by 2027. We're going to give you about 7 cryptos a month that you can invest in and buy a few, and as they go up, you can cash out and make money on them. That's what we're going to do for our exchange to help us make money to pay you. Blockchain technology has given rise to a new digital currency, cryptocurrency. The most well known is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other altcoins, 4,000 to be exact, cryptocurrencies on the mainnet. All these cryptocurrencies are developed by cryptocurrency developers paid for by businesses, because it's very seldom that an individual can make his own blockchain. What is a blockchain wallet? Now this is important. A blockchain wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store and manage their Bitcoin, Ether, NEXREV, Getrev, and other cryptocurrency. Blockchain wallet can also refer to the wallet service provided by our blockchain. And we have our own wallet that we'll be giving you. A blockchain wallet allows you to transfer cryptocurrencies instantly. So you want to send somebody money, have it in cryptocurrency, and it's an instant transfer. And convert them back into your user local currency just like that. It's very, very fast. Crypto tokens are a type of cryptocurrency, and that's what we have. It represents an asset-specific use that resides on their blockchain. Tokens can be used for investment purposes, to store value, or to make purchases created through an initial coin offering. To set our market cap, total circulating supply times the price of each coin. So once we get the total circulating supply, then we multiply it by our price. Now that price will be going up. Don't wait to buy it when it goes up. Buy it now while it's a nickel so you can get the value of it going up. It's just a no-brainer. If you just want to speculate on the coin, go to Getrev.com, help us in our crowdfunding, and sign up and get your referral link and pass it out to everybody you know, and let them get in on the deal, and let them have a chance to make some money. Because that's what's going to happen here. People are going to make money. And we're proud to introduce our NEXREV token. It'll still be NXV token. So we're not changing the name. We're just changing the name of the company to Getrev so we can get out of trouble with the trademark deal. It's a supplemental instrument named to progress further the development of the platform, allowing the members of the community, and we are members of a community, to influence NEXREV progress. So here we are. We're a group of people. We're in a lifeboat. We want to save ourselves from this inflation. So what do? We take some of that inflated money, we put it into cryptocurrency. Now it's out of circulation and it's saved up in cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency goes up, and when the inflation slows down and we deflate, and it will happen, we will deflate. We might have stagflation for a while, but at the end of the game, we will deflate and the prices will go back down one way or another. That's always been the case. This happened in the late 70s, and it was due to oil again, and we had stagflation for a couple of years, and then things straightened out after that. And then the economy came roaring back. It was tough for a couple of years, though, I'll tell you that. NEXREV Sales Incorporated, that's our Florida corporation, and then we're also going to be incorporating in Singapore. So we're going to be an international corporation, but I'll explain that later on. Getrevcoin owns our own blockchain. That leaves endless opportunities to create new tokens, coins, smart contracts for other companies, plus our blockchain. And it allows us to innovate and add functionality like adding the merchant account to the blockchain. Now that's big. Imagine going to the blockchain and just popping in there, using your credit card, buy your coins, and you're done. We pay them, the modules are completed and delivered for our coders, and that they've been working with us. And they also introduced us to a law firm in Singapore, and they would have got a 15% referral fee, but they gave that to us to reduce our bills so that we can pay less when we get our incorporation. It says Estonia, but we're not going to go to Estonia. We're going to go to Singapore. Uh, that would be a crazy move to go to Estonia now. Okay, this is TestNet. This is how you test a coin when you want to find out if it's working or not. In the NEXREV blockchain technology, a testnet is an instance of the blockchain that we have, powered by the same or newer version of the underlying software to be used for testing. So our software is the underlying software that's used for testing and experimentation. So we can do things on testnet that we can't do on the real blockchain or we would break it. So we can add the merchant account, make sure it works on the blockchain, and go from there and keep testing without risk to real funds or to the main chain. So this is an important part of the process of creating a coin. Now, what is a smart contract? Because you have a choice. You can either buy coins directly at Getrev.com, or you can buy a smart contract. That's like a time deposit, very similar to that. What you would be doing is placing your funds into the smart contract for 18 months. We pay you a straight 10% a month or 180% on your money, and you earn that by doing nothing. And so we can start buying and testing coins. And so that's why we have Getrevcoin.com so that we can get the crowdfunding going and we can get all that paid and built and moving. So we have silver, and then we have gold, and we have platinum. And you're going to get paid referrals down 5 levels on silver, 15 levels on platinum, 8 levels on gold. So if you are a big organization of referrals, you're going to make a lot of money on smart contracts because every time somebody buys a smart contract, you get 10% of whatever they bought it for. They buy it for the average of $1,000, you'll get $100, which makes it very, very, very profitable. Now, here's an example. Let's say we also give away shares of our company starting at $1,000. So if you buy at $1,000, the average, we'll give you 10 shares of stock. We value those shares at $100. Now you can't just go and sell them to somebody for $100. Maybe you can, but basically, the reason we give them to you is because later, if somebody wants to acquire our company and they want to pay us big money, of course, we're going to sell it, and then we're going to pay you for the shares that you're holding. So if you got 10 shares, you're going to get paid extra money depending on how much we got paid. Now, for $1,000, you're going to receive 20,000 NEXREV tokens. You're going to get a $100 bonus, which will be $2,800 because of the tokens. Now, at the end, if you rolled up all your money at 18 months, you'd have 56,000 tokens. Now, if that turned into $1 a token, what would you have? 56,000 now. Now, if we go down here to $5,000, you would have 100,000 tokens, a $500 bonus, 50 shares of stock, $14,000 would be your total profit with deposit after 18 months. You would have 280,000 tokens if you rolled them all up. Now, who couldn't use 280,000 bucks buying the tokens at a nickel a piece? And that's what we believe will happen. Our developer is already at $1.24 per token, and Zillionics $1.24 a token. So look at that. Now, if you go down here to 100,000, you would have $10,000. 100 shares, $10,000, 200,000 tokens, $1,000 bonus, $28,000 you'd have at the end of 18 months for just that. And then you'd have 560,000 tokens. And it doesn't take too many more thousands to get up to 1,000,000 tokens. And that's where I want to be, 1,000,000 tokens. And I have to buy mine just like you have to buy yours. So this is a fantastic opportunity. You're in at the absolute ground floor. And we will be adding the link on getrev.com for Zillionics as soon as they get it ready. They have some bugs in their website, and we don't want you to go to a buggy website. Ours is fixed. We got the bugs out of it. So if you tried it yesterday, it works today. All the links are working. All you have to do is go there, click the link, buy pre-order tokens, because you're not going to get the tokens right away. We have to complete the system. We have to get our exchange up and running so we can distribute the tokens to you. So that's part of our build out. So what we're doing is crowdfunding to complete the build out. And then you're pre-ordering the tokens, and depending on how quickly we get this going, you will get your tokens, and then we'll be able to grow the business. But Zillionics started at a nickel as well, and now they're $1.24. Now they've had a little start on us. They started in 2018. I'm not saying it's going to take us 3 years, and it didn't take them 3 years to hit a dollar either. They were at a dollar after about 15 months, so we should be at a dollar very early. With the merchant account and all the new accounts that are added to our nodes, it's gonna help us really grow. So look at that, 560,000 NXP tokens, and depending on the value, that's what you would be paying. It's just an amazing opportunity. Now, how do you earn more? Let's say you want to earn more. You can quickly increase your daily profit amount by either adding more money to your account or earning commissions as a result of referring others who open a smart contract. For example, you could start with $100 and work your account by referring one person that opens an NEXREV account with $1,000, and your commission greatly increases the size of your own account by $100, so you doubled your money. You have $200 in your account because you got 10%. By doing this method, you could build your account and grow your money fast. Just refer people that you want to help. Now, referring others is not required to earn passive income. Opening a NEXREV smart contract, all you have to do is sit back and make the money. This is not a busy business. It's completely passive. And most people like that they don't have to refer. But if you do want to refer, if you do have somebody you want to refer, go ahead and do it. You get a reward of the percentage of the contract amount, and referred through 10 levels of members in some cases. Commissions will appear in your funding account where they will draw profit 10% a month. We pay 10% a month not only on your smart contract, but also on any cash commissions that you have, either by your monthly profits or by anything. Even your pre-order of tokens, any of those that you order, we're paying you 10% a month. So if you have to wait for your tokens, we're going to pay you 10% a month for waiting. And then when you get your tokens, that's when we stop paying you the 10%. We're doing that as a courtesy to you because you're helping us, we're helping when that is and sell your coins and get your money. Now, fiat trading, we're not going to do much, but NEXREV sales will do a lot. Cryptocurrency will make a lot of money on that, a lot of money. Now, payments, every time somebody goes to the exchange, of course, the exchange makes money, and some of those profits will go into the escrow account to pay you. Referrals, that goes in there. Now, NEXREV volatility, what is that? Well, when NEXREV starts to go up in value, what we'll do to even it out and raise the value even more is sell off some of the NEXREV coins and take those profits and put it in the escrow account so it will go back up in value. That always happens. You notice coins, they go down, they go up, that's why. Now, exchange profits. You know, some exchanges make millions of dollars a year depending on how big we're going to be. Now, we're going to be coupled with Zillionics Exchange. They're going to have coins available to us that we might not have that we can sell you, and that makes us bigger than what we would normally start as. And that will help us a lot. Now, we can do loans. We make interest rate on that. And then referral fees, we make money on that. And then three-tier smart contracts, of course, we make money. Exchange trading, we're going to have a trading system right inside of the exchange. We'll teach you how to trade, and you can start making money in cryptocurrency. It's a great way to make profits. So there is absolutely no way that we would not be able to pay you once we have all this in place. And Getrev.com will get all of this in place. All you got to do is go there and buy some coins and help us get started. And I bought the first coins, so I'm number one on the list. Okay, now what do exchanges look for to price a coin? This is important information. Well, first they're going to look at what is our real daily volume. And we should have a pretty good volume with the merchant account. That's going to show up as volume. Every time somebody uses a merchant account, that's going to be sales of the Philippines. I don't know what it is in the U.S. I know it is at least $5 in California, and it's going to go double that because they're predicting $200 a barrel oil, and it's never been that high, never. So we're going to be in for a rocky ride. What they want us to do is park our cars and not use them. That's the Green New Deal stuff, and this is being engineered by the government right now. So just to let you know that. They could start drilling for oil right this second and fix it. Just open up the natural gas pipelines and fix it. But they won't do it because they're committed to the Green New Deal. And to me, that's just going to be a money-making because you're going to buy energy credits and then you're going to sell them and make a profit on them. So that's going to be another gimmick. Okay, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, now you can ask them. This is important that we get you answered. Now, please go to getrevcoin.com. It's write it down. Getrevcoin.com. And then if you to sign up for NEXREV, you go to nexrevcoin.co. I don't know what happened to that slide that shows that information, but it has our phone number on it. Our phone number is right on the website, and you can get any answers to your questions that support at nexrevsales.co, nexrevsales.co. Put all those links in the Q&A. Okay, but please visit getrevcoin.com. Make a purchase, get us started, get us on the road, refer people, and it'll be a lot of fun. It'll help us grow, and you'll watch the build out of the system. You'll watch the tokens being created. You'll watch the incorporation happen in Singapore. But that's up to you to help us get this thing rocking. Okay, thank you. That's my last of my pitch. Getrevcoin.com. help us with our crowdfunding, sign up and get involved. Okay, I thank you so much for coming. God bless you. Have a great night, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.